this was my Saturday. So we're out here at Norm's, right? And Lissa's saying I order like a little kid, which I really think I don't. Lissa, could you please elaborate and like tell the people that I don't order like a kid?
So he does order like a little kid. He just stares up at him like the life losing line. He's like, no dressing, medium rare, potato.
She's just mad that she smells like dog shit. What are you munching on?
What?
Okay, what are you munching on?
Crouton?
What'd you order?
This is gumbo.
Gumbo?
Gumbo.
What's that?
Salad.
I got the same thing.
He eats with his hands. There's a fork right there.
This up. It's like a chip.
It's salad.
Get the crunch. You gotta get the crunch.
Young cultured swine.
Alright, so we just got our food, and it's actually a lot. Liz, what do you think of the food?
It looks good. It's still meatballs. They're bigger than yours.
But anywho, dude, the bill only came out to be like $34.54. That's pretty sweet, dude. But yeah, that's pretty good food. Now let's go. Okay, to give you some backstory, Norm's, what they do is they give you your receipt after you order. Like once you get your food, you get your receipt as well. When we're about to leave, right? It was near the end. We're getting our stuff, and Liz, so she doesn't drink that much, right? So she'll have like literally like one drink, and that's it. She's done. Like she doesn't like refill or anything, right? So what happened was that she was coming near the end, right? And we're about to leave, keep in mind. And the guy was like, do you want another iced tea? Right? Because like I guess like when you order one thing, like one drink, you get free refills like on whatever it is, right? So Liz says no thank you, right? And I was eating a crouton, right? I just ate a crouton. It was delicious. And my eyes opened up and I looked at Liz because the dude was talking to her, and usually I don't know why, but when somebody's talking to somebody else, I'll look at the other person and waiting for the response. And the dude must have thought, listen, no, the dude must have thought that I was gonna freaking beat her or something afterwards. She was like, no thank you. And then she looked at me, she's like, what? And I was like, should I order, like, do I want another one? And I didn't say anything because my mouth was, you know, I was eating, you know? It's so rude to talk with your mouth full. And I just shrugged. And so the dude, like 5 minutes later, brings her another drink, and we're literally already packing up to leave. So I don't know. And I took a sip, so hopefully you saw that, to whatever you thought was real. I don't know. But that was it. I don't beat Melissa. At least when she doesn't talk, I don't beat her.
Do you want to tell a story how you broke my nose?
That is very true. Okay. Yeah.
Story for another time.
So we're about to go watch what's the movie called? Thor Ragnarok?
No.
Or what movie is it?
It's Avengers Infinity War.
Yeah, we're gonna go watch that one. I'll let you know how it goes. I mean, I don't really care much for this series, but
because she's the girl in the relationship.
I mean, I'm just saying, I'd rather watch some guns and action. Not some superhero shield that's never gonna be real, okay? Joke. The movie was actually really good.